It's Angeline here. So today it's just me for now. I'm sure the team will wake up soon. Some of the team are up and out. Some of the team are beginning. But today we are going to be doing some stuff here with the lighting system. So to give you a little bit of backstory about what's going on with the lights. The camera is not working. That camera right there. So we are going to have to remove both sets of lights to see if it works. Well, to troubleshoot, to see if it's the light issue. I guess maybe they both get their power from the same place, or what the issue is. So that's what we're going to be doing today, is removing the lights. I figured out it'll be a good idea for you guys to join, because I myself, it's like, hey, I've taken the lights off before, but usually I'm taking it on the entire thing. But we're just going to switch the two lights. I figured you guys would like to see how that works. Well, today's a good day to garden, so let's get started. So this is our lighting system. I don't think you should need any tools. My nails aren't done, but there's a little button on the back of the lighting system. And so I don't know if my regular nails would go in there. So I'm going to be using a little knife. The tools I brought with me are a little wipe here, because I know that the plants, we are having a little bit of fun here. So I brought my wipes to wipe down anything. I don't want to have anything attached to me or carry it with me anywhere. So we're going to wipe it down. I'm just wiping down the light system just to make things easier. To clean it really quick. So I'm just doing a quick wipe down. The outside and the inside, because this is quite where everybody likes to hang out. So I just I'm using a Clorox or Lysol or somebody's wipe, and just doing a quick wipe down. So our lights are anchored on here, on the top, and it has the camera. That's the camera that is not updating. However, the other one is updating. So first step is we are going to lift it up here. So I'm just going to give it a little lift. And is it fully out? There we go. And there we go. So there's a little button here. There, now you can see it. And I was wondering if I was going to need it. So we're going to press this button and then release the light. But I'm holding you guys up right now, the tripod. So let's put you back. And then I'm going to go press that button and release our light connection. As I was saying before, my fingernails are not done. So that means I don't have a layer of anything on them. There we go, nice and easy. So we got our light off. Then we're gonna do the same thing to the other light. We're just gonna press the button and slide it off. So this is our other light here. So the light pole, we're gonna press the button and slide it off. There we go. So we have our two lights off. Now what we're supposed to do is click it back onto the next one to see if the camera will restart on the other light. Now come up here, I can't see. There it is. Let's see the camera. Now we're going to press our button again. I'm going to show you the app in a second. It's telling me that it's offline. which is correct because I just turned it off. So we're going to wait for it to reconnect. And then we're going to check on our camera after it reconnects. In the meantime, I can tell you a little bit about the app while we're here waiting. Because as I said before, usually the app and the lights are, the app is on my phone. I'm filming with my phone, so I never get to show you guys. But this is the app here. This is it. It says it's offline. You get to have Kelby. You get credits. Oop, there goes the light. You get credits every month and 1 free shipping. And then you have Kelby tells you tasks and sends you messages. So I have a few tasks that are behind because I am doing this and I want to refresh our stuff. So we are going to be reconnecting. All right, so same thing is happening. We still have our same photos that are not recalibrating at all. The upper camera is saying the same thing in the lower camera. Where is the lower camera? I don't know. Let's take the pictures. However, so this is what it's saying here. Hey there. That's what they're requesting. And then this says it's the lower camera, but I'm not still taking a picture of the same area. And that is how you take off the lights and put them back on. I'll keep you guys posted on whether or not the cameras start working. Of course, seeing as though we are here, the camera is not necessarily a super important part of function, but it's nice to have, and it's a feature that I like, especially when I am going out. Yes? For a little while, I could check in and see what's going on. But thank you very much for joining. My team members here. We are going to be keeping up with you guys. As I said, our next video is probably going to be a tank refresh as we refresh this tank over here and do a deep clean, waiting for a little better weather outside. It's warm, but it's rainy. And then when it stops raining, it's cold. All right, well, thank you very much for joining us. It's been Angeline and the team. You can visit us at avgardyn.com and join the cultivators at patreon.com/Angeline Verdant, VERDENT. I will talk to you guys next time. Bye. Remember, stay green always. Bye. Bye.